Have you ever wondered what powers the AI revolution? Imagine a company whose revenue just rocketed up by 60% in a single year, all because the entire world is scrambling for its AI chips. That company is Nvidia, and its latest earnings didn't just beat expectations, they completely redefine what is possible for a stock in the age of AI. So, what's the big deal with Nvidia right now? It's seen as the absolute backbone of the global generative AI boom. Think about it. Companies everywhere, from tech giants to small startups, are racing to build massive AI data centers. And what's at the heart of these data centers? Nvidia's high-performance AI chips and specialized hardware. This puts them right at the epicenter of this technological shift. Their most recent financial report was nothing short of record-shattering, which has massively boosted investor confidence in their long-term dominance. This means Nvidia is way more than just a graphics card company. It's a direct bet on the future of AI infrastructure and cloud computing. Let's dive into the jaw-dropping numbers from their latest quarter. For the quarter ending in late October, Nvidia reported a staggering revenue of $57 billion. That's a 62% increase from the same time last year. But here's the most mind-blowing part: their data center business, which is the segment driven by AI chip demand, brought in $51.2 billion alone. This huge jump shows just how insane the demand really is. Their earnings per share also came in strong at about $1.30, which was well above what Wall Street analysts were predicting. Naturally, after this news broke, the stock shot up, proving just how much investor sentiment is tied to these powerful earnings reports and their future guidance. To put this into perspective, this incredible growth isn't a one-off event. Even in the previous quarter, Nvidia had already delivered record-breaking performance, with full-year revenue for fiscal 2025 reaching $130.5 billion, a massive 114% increase from the year before. Their net income and profits have also been rising significantly, which tells us that the company isn't just growing, it's becoming more profitable as it scales. The single biggest driver behind all this is, without a doubt, artificial intelligence. The demand for their compute hardware, especially GPS and AI-optimized servers, is the engine of this growth. And the company's own management team is forecasting even more growth ahead, expecting strong demand for AI infrastructure to continue. So what does all this mean for the stock and for investors like you and me? Because Nvidia is so deeply connected to the AI boom, its financial results are often seen as a barometer for AI demand across the entire globe. When Nvidia has a strong quarter, it doesn't just lift its own stock. It often boosts other related tech and chip stocks as well. It's like a rising tide that lifts all boats in the AI harbor. However, it's important to remember that stock market reactions aren't always simple. In the past, even huge earnings beats haven't always led to immediate, long-term rallies. Things like future guidance, the broader economic climate, and what competitors are doing all play a significant role for long-term investors. NVDA's consistent ability to deliver on its growth and profitability promises is a huge confidence booster. It suggests that they might continue to lead the AI infrastructure race for the foreseeable future. But there's always a flip side. The stock's valuation is incredibly high because it's based on massive future growth expectations. This means that any sign of a slowdown in AI demand, any supply chain problems, or any serious competitive pressure from other chip makers could hit the stock hard. The higher you fly, the further you can fall. In summary, NVIDIA's latest results confirm its position as the undisputed king of the AI hardware world. The insatiable demand from data centers is fueling incredible growth. For anyone looking to invest in the future of AI, Nvidia seems like one of the most compelling options out there. However, it comes with the volatility and sky-high expectations that are typical of such a high-growth story. The journey ahead will be exciting, but it's definitely one for investors who are comfortable with a bit of a roller coaster ride. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the stocks shaping our future. See you in the next video.